Nail decorations, a colorful world of style and creativity. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a fascinating and colorful topic, nail decorations. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about this stylish form of self-expression, you're in for a treat. Let's explore what nail decorations mean and how they add flair to personal style. Nail decorations refer to various artistic designs and embellishments applied to fingernails or toenails. This can include painting nails with colorful polishes, adding tiny gems or stickers, and even creating intricate designs or patterns. It's a way to express personality, fashion sense, or even celebrate special occasions. Nail art isn't a modern invention. It dates back centuries, with different cultures using nail color as a status symbol or fashion statement. Over time, techniques and materials have evolved, allowing for more detailed and diverse designs. Today, it's a global trend embraced by people of all ages. There's a vast world of nail decorations out there. Here are a few popular types. Polish, traditional nail polish in various colors. Gel nails, a durable form of nail polish cured under UV light. Acrylics, artificial nails that can be shaped and designed. Nail stickers, adhesive designs that can be applied to nails. Rhinestones and gems, small decorative elements added for sparkle. You can decorate your nails at home or visit a professional nail artist. DIY nail art can be fun and budget-friendly, but professional services offer more intricate designs and long-lasting results. Both have their unique benefits, depending on your needs and skills. We hope you enjoyed learning about nail decorations. They're more than just a beauty trend. They're a form of self-expression and art. Whether you're looking to try it yourself or just appreciate the creativity, nail decorations offer a world of possibilities. Thank you for watching, and we hope this has been an enlightening journey into the colorful world of nail art.